Hello my travel friends, this is Jennifer Sparks. I'm really excited to show you Barefoot Landing in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Really cool place. We're going to start our tour at Blueberries Grill. My family and I had just recently been to a different location of Blueberries Grill on the Myrtle Beach, and we loved it. So we saw this one and we said, we got to try this one too. This one's a little different. It's not in a shopping center. It's a freestanding building that sits right in front of Barefoot Landing. It was during the week and in winter, and we didn't have reservations, but we were able to be seated right away. The place is absolutely adorable. To start with, we had to try the blueberry muffin, and we also tried the biscuits with gravy. The menu is outrageous. There's so many great things to choose from. It was a hard choice, but I ended up going with the pecan sweet potato pancakes. It was a very good choice. It was huge. I ended up getting 3 breakfasts out of it. My daughter went more traditional with the eggs, with the home fries, toast, and she had a chocolate chip pancake, and my husband ended up going with the Benedict with the hash, corned beef hash on it. Fantastic, delicious, really good place. All right, now we're gonna go take a walk around. This is my first time here. I know absolutely nothing about this place. If you could leave some comments about what you know about it and what you enjoy doing when you go to Barefoot Landing, I would greatly appreciate it. I would love to go back there and check it out even further. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer Sparks. I mostly do tours of resorts. I travel a lot, so I like to film my experiences and share them with others so other people can make better decisions about their future travel plans. This video was filmed February 2022. As you can see, it's really not a busy time to come to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The pandemic is still a thing at this point. Some people have masks on, but I would say the majority, especially outside, are not wearing masks at this point. Walking down the boardwalk, this restaurant to the right-hand side is called Umbertos. They are temporarily closed as they're doing some construction over there. If you want to see more of my dining experiences, we're going to be going to check out Happy Hour at the Crooked Hammock. As you can see in this video, walking around, this place is loaded with great restaurants, places to shop. Super cool place. I really enjoyed our stay at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's really, if you like to go and do things and walk and, explore different, restaurants, and great place for foodies, that's for sure. Awesome place. So enjoy the tour and stick around. Like I said, we're going to be going to go check out a little happy hour at the Crooked Hammock. Easily one of the most beautiful carousels I've ever seen. Absolutely beautiful. And there's the little turtle. This place right here is the Crooked Hammock. Awesome place. Like I said before, we're going to be having happy hour there, but not yet. If you want to see the happy hour and you don't care about the rest of the walk, fast forward a couple minutes and then you'll get to see the happy hour. Crooked Hammock is a brewery, and as you can see, it's set up for people who come and spend a great amount of time. They have all kinds of games and places you could chill. It's absolutely adorable. Really, really neat place. taking the walk with me. I hope you're enjoying the tour. Now we're getting to the entrance again of Barefoot Landing. Barefoot Landing is awesome. I definitely highly recommend it. This right here, this is like a little French bakery. We didn't get to try that, but I would love to try that in the future. Myrtle Beach is so much more than just a beach. There's really so many cool places to go to. All right, now we're going to be coming back to go check out the happy hour at the Crooked Hammock. The happy hour, I believe, was every day from 4 to 7. This was actually Valentine's Day that we were here. And the happy hour menu. When you travel as much as I do, you have to find places that have happy hours. Here's a little quick peek of the regular menu. I like that.
Really good.
I forgot to film the bill at the end, but we had a round of beers, we had nachos, my daughter had a burger with fries, and my husband had the buffalo chicken tenders, and it was, I don't know, it was like $40 or something like that. It was a really, really good deal. Crooked Hammock has tons of outdoor seating and activities, but they also have indoor dining as well as a large souvenir shop. If you enjoyed food reviews, look out in the future. I'm going to be making a video of all the places that we dined in Myrtle Beach. I'll be placing that video and all the other ones I'm making in Myrtle Beach at the playlist at the end of this video, including where we stayed, Sheridan Broadway Plantation, awesome place. Also look out for our visit to Murrells Inlet Marsh Walk and lunch at the Dead Dog Saloon. We also went to Myrtle Beach and the boardwalk and did a walking tour over there, amazing place. Driving around Myrtle Beach, Ocean Boulevard. And we also went to Broadway at the beach. Must-see place. Awesome, awesome. We went to Hard Rock and Senora Frogs. Really fun town. We really enjoyed it. We're in Hilton Head, South Carolina now, filming over here. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. If you are still with me, you are a true rock star. Thank you so much for watching. Be well to yourself. Make sure you get out there and enjoy your life, and safe travels to you.